Lucid Motors has unveiled a remarkable feat of engineering with the Lucid Air Sapphire, which now holds the title of the world's fastest armored vehicle. This luxury electric sedan combines unprecedented performance with advanced protection features, offering a unique blend of speed, safety, and luxury at a price of $500,000. The Lucid Air Sapphire is built on the same platform as the standard Lucid Air but with significant modifications to accommodate its armored capabilities. Despite the added weight from its bulletproof materials, the Sapphire variant maintains impressive performance metrics. It features a tri-motor setup that delivers over 1,200 horsepower, propelling the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.89 seconds. This makes it not only the fastest armored vehicle but also one of the quickest electric sedans on the market. The vehicle's armor includes ballistic protection capable of withstanding high-caliber gunfire, while still retaining the sleek and aerodynamic design that the Lucid Air is known for. The Sapphire model also comes equipped with advanced security systems, including run-flat tires and an enhanced communication suite, making it suitable for high-risk environments where security is paramount. Inside, the Lucid Air Sapphire offers a luxurious cabin with high-end materials and the latest technology. The vehicle's infotainment system has been upgraded to provide seamless connectivity and entertainment options. Despite its armored status, the cabin remains spacious and comfortable, ensuring that passengers experience the same level of luxury as in the standard Lucid Air. The introduction of the Lucid Air Sapphire marks a significant milestone in the automotive industry, blending cutting-edge electric performance with advanced armored protection. This model is targeted at a niche market, catering to those who require both unparalleled speed and top-tier security. With its $500,000 price tag, the Lucid Air Sapphire is positioned as a premium offering in the luxury and armored vehicle sectors, appealing to wealthy clients who prioritize both safety and performance. Lucid Motors' latest creation exemplifies the brand's commitment to innovation and its ability to push the boundaries of what an electric vehicle can achieve. As the fastest armored vehicle in the world, the Lucid Air Sapphire sets a new standard for what is possible in the intersection of luxury, performance, and security.